Hello, kids! Welcome to English Time. I'm so happy to see you. How are you today? Are you happy? Great! What's the weather in your place today? Look outside. What's the weather? Is it sunny, cloudy, or rainy? Listen. Sunny. Say, it's a sunny day. Listen. Cloudy. Say, it's a cloudy day. Listen. Rainy. Say, it's a rainy day. Listen. Here are the days of the week. Say, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Look, what's the day today? Listen. Wednesday. Say, today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Look, what color is this? Listen. This is purple. Say, purple, purple, purple. This is purple. Purple cake, purple crayon, purple curtains, purple cart, purple cup. Let's play. Our game is yes or no. Is this a purple cake? Yes or no? Is this a purple cake? Yes or no? Is this a purple cake? Yes or no? Look, what letter is this? Listen. Letter C. Say C. 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 Letter C. C is for cap. C is for cake. C is for car. C is for cat. C is for carrot. Let's play. Our game is What's Next? Cat, cake, cat. What's next? Yes, it's cake. Look, what shape is this? Listen, it's a triangle. Say, triangle, triangle, triangle. It's a triangle. Let's play. Our game is yes or no. Is this a triangle? Yes or no? Is this a triangle? Yes or no? Is this a triangle? Yes or no? Look, how many cakes can you see? Listen. 3 cakes. Say 3. 3. 3. 3 cakes. Three caps. 3 cakes. 3 crayons. 3 cars. 3 coats. Let's play. Our game is yes or no. Are there 3 cats? Yes or no? Are there 3 cats? Yes or no? Are there 3 cats? Yes or no? I hope you had fun today. Thank you so much for watching and see you again tomorrow. This is Wang Sensei, your online tutor.